Good afternoon, friends. Here we are in the woods. It's a lovely afternoon. I've been working on the fire pit, adding a few more stones, rocks here and there. I think we could use just another little rock to maybe go right in here somewhere. Just add a little more, maybe over here. We've got these lovely rocks, but none of them. And we've got these lovely rocks, but But here we have the perfect size rock, I think. And maybe this one too. Okay, those rocks were a little bigger than I was thinking, but that was a great workout, especially for the abdominal muscles. I'm surprised I didn't pull a hernia. I've never done that, by the way. It happens to me. Yeah, and although the rocks were too big for the spot I was thinking, but may say a lovely holder for my gloves, my Marmot work gloves. Just your basic leather gloves, not too expensive. Got them at Altitude Sports. They've been fantastic for all around the campfire. Doing any kind of gathering of wood or preparing of wood. I think the other rock here, the biggest one, look at those great angles on it. Yeah, broken by ice and time into these beautiful geometric shapes. Almost looks like a perfect cube on this angle. Makes the perfect seat.